Imagine working alongside 100 AI agents in just 10 years. Jensen Huang, CEO of NVIDIA, envisions this futuristic workplace. During a media session at the NVIDIA GTC conference, he described a bold reality where the company employs around 75,000 people and collaborates with 7.5 million AI agents. That's a striking 100-to-1 ratio of agents to humans. Huang humorously noted how these AI agents will take over mundane tasks, allowing human employees to focus on more important work. This vision reflects the rapid adoption of AI across various industries. Executives from major companies highlight that not embracing AI could impact job promotions. AI agents are more advanced than typical chatbots. They autonomously complete tasks based on set goals through reasoning, planning, and action. To promote broader AI use, Huang introduced the NVIDIA Agent Toolkit at the conference. This platform helps businesses develop and manage their own AI agents. Globally, interest in AI agent technology is rising. A McKinsey survey revealed that 62% of organizations are experimenting with these agents. Major companies like Adobe and Palantir are already utilizing NVIDIA's toolkit to enhance their capabilities. The allure of AI has also inspired innovative projects. For instance, entrepreneur Matt Schlicht created Maltbook, enabling AI agents to converse independently, producing engaging and unsettling dialogues. Major tech firms are paying attention, with Meta recently acquiring Maltbook. Huang is optimistic, believing AI agents will help solve humanity's toughest challenges. He cited advancements in drug discovery and human longevity as examples of AI's exciting potential. The conversation around AI is dynamic and evolving. The future Huang describes is closer than we think, with AI increasingly integrated into our daily work lives. Prepare for this significant change as the landscape of work transforms remarkably in the next decade. To explore more exciting developments in technology, stay updated with our channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on the future.